Hello, my name is Mitch Flo from Sourcefabric, and I've been asked to provide a screencast which is specifically explaining how Newscoop and Ushahidi can work together. The way they can work together really well is that you can use Newscoop to create maps which will then be used in Ushahidi as layers. Layers provide additional information to the Ushahidi website. I will show you a simple example how this could work. In another screencast I already showed the Ushahidi Cooker. The idea here is that it's a location and map directory with geographic data feed, KML. This feed can be called from the site, like for all locations in this publication, or here in these categories we have provided some sample data for hospitals, libraries, universities in different cities. You can see Berlin has, for example, 4 hospitals. Let's take a look at this. If I click on hospitals again, I can have the feed for all hospitals, for all cities. Here I can also kind of just call in the KML feed for all hospitals in Berlin. Or if I click on Berlin, I will actually see the prepared map, so to speak. This is done in the admin interface and covered in a different screencast, providing these 4 locations just a sample of hospitals in Berlin. So let's jump over to Ushahidi. Let's say we have an Ushahidi install which is covering some crisis situation in Berlin. May it never occur, but it might. So the idea would be that on this Ushahidi map you will basically have your geosensitive information stored. How about providing additional information for your readers, for your users? For example, where are the hospitals in Berlin? Ushahidi has this option after I log in to go manage and then select layers to add individual layers to your Ushahidi map. Let's just take one, for example these Berlin hospitals. I just go to the feed, right click, copy link location, go into Ushahidi, make a new layer called hospitals in Berlin. You see I've done this the second time, the first time I was sneezing. So here I have to pick a color and then I just save this layer and it comes up as hospitals in Berlin. So now on my map I just reload the map. You can see on the right layers come up, hospitals in Berlin. So as simple as that, I now have the chance to just provide my users with this option, clicking on there and seeing the information of where are hospitals in Berlin. Yeah. So here this is called straight from Newscoop. It's all kind of hidden in the KML feed and becomes visible here on the site. This is pretty much how it works. You can see that you can actually use Newscoop to provide a whole directory of maps, prepare them for major cities, let's say airports, hospitals, all these things. And then when something comes up, you have your Ushahidi map there. You just go into the admin interface as I've just shown you. You just add a new layer and have it there for your users. So this is all from me. It is actually as simple as it looks, and yeah, I'm looking forward to hear more from you on our forums. Thanks. Bye.